Hey guys, I'm Tyler with Covered 6 and I'm here with Condor today to talk to you about two pre-configured chest rigs. The first chest rig is the Recon chest rig. It's the one I'm wearing right now. As you can see, it's got padded shoulder straps with a built-in D-ring. It also features the Swivel Lockster, and just like this chest rig, it's an X harness fully adjustable on the back. It comes with 3 built-in kangaroo mag pouches. It'll hold only AR and M4 mags. It'll hold 6 of those, along with 6 pistol mags. You can also fit multi-tools or a flashlight in. On each side, it has a built-in utility pouch. It has 1 admin pouch here in the center, and 1 mesh pocket in the back. That's the Recon chest rig. The next chest rig is the Rapid Assault chest rig. As you can see right off the bat, it's got the padded shoulder strap, built-in D-ring. Like I showed you before, it's got the Swivel Lockster. And it's the fully adjustable X harness there on the back. It comes with 6 built-in mag pouches that'll only accommodate M4 or AR-15 mags. Also, on both sides, it has these elastic straps. You can tie down a tourniquet or anything you may want, and then the entire front real estate, a MOLLE webbing. That's the Rapid Assault chest rig. To tighten down the X harness and the waist strap, pull the excess through the buckle until you've reached your desired size. Pull that excess through the tri-glide and tighten down with the strap keeper. So there you have it, guys, 2 of Condor's pre-configured chest rigs. If you'd like more information, visit their website at condoroutdoor.com. If you'd like to purchase one, talk to any Condor outdoor dealer. I'm Tyler from Covered 6. Until next time.